Last time I did the Thorn Princess headband. So this time, we will do the Thorn Princess poison needle. Let's make the Thorn Princess poisoned needle. Materials needed: scratch paper, rolled paper, cardboard, gold ribbon, glue sticks, glue, ruler, and scissors. Let's start! First, wrap the 9 inches long stick with scratch paper. Make a 10 inches with a 3/8 inch diameter rolled paper. Make sure there is a 1 inch hole on the other end. Also, make a 6.5 inches long stick wrapped with a paper of the same size as the first stick on the first part. Wrap it with another scratch paper but leave a 1 inch allowance. You can also use a 16 inches long stick if it's available. I don't have one, so I need to use separate sticks. Second, cover the stick with a gold ribbon. But before that, make the tip of the stick pointed. Use a 1.5 inches ribbon to cover the stick. Also, make a different cover for the handle part. Use double-sided tape and fold the ribbon. Wrap it around the handle part of the needle, then glue the two parts of the needle. Third, make the ring part of the needle. I printed a pattern and traced it on cardboard. Cut the uneven parts. Then, use the same ribbon you used for the handle to wrap the ring. Fold the scratch paper and make 2 inches by 1/2 inches rectangle for the details. Wrap it with a gold ribbon. And lastly, attach the ring and the details. Now, your Thorn Princess Poison Needle is ready to use.